I live in a midget house. Look at this. Again, this is where the door handle would be. This is where I live. So the pretty much top of the door. And there's that fucking shit. Lock it because it's ghetto. Fucking look at this. This is my head height. There's my room. The fucking door is small as hell. There's fucking bathroom. Gotta step up, get in here. Fucking this is my head height. My eye height in my bathroom. Fuck. Take a piss. Gotta fucking kneel down. There is a picture of him kneeling down in my fucking bathroom. The fucking kitchen. This is eye height again. Fucking, oh, look at this. Fucking ready to spike you in the face. Kitchen. Fucking small as hell. Look at my living room. That's eye height. Fucking hit my head on any one of these corners and shit. Fuck. This place is like perfect for midgets. And then my room.